scooter?
Too loud.
It's so loud. Then now daddy mowing. There you go the mow. You mow the back to Hana?
I will. You take a break first.
Okay. I want to blow here first.
Good go at me, guys. Let's go.
Hi guys, and today maglinis kami ng aming bakuran guys. First time namin lilinisin ng aming bakuran dahil malamig kasi. So ngayon lang kami naka-decide na maglinis kami ng bakuran guys. So I want to show you guys what's look like, and daddy is already mowing. Maybe almost done. Okay, let's go. Here's RJ. So loud. Then now daddy mowing. There you go the mow. You mow the back to Hana?
I will. You take a break first.
Okay. I want to blow here first. Here's my tulips. Tulips. Okay, I blow first guys. Guys, is malinis na guys. Yan, linis na. Magandang araw today. Tingnan nyo. Mayroong araw na before palaging ko milimlim. Walang clouds ang langit guys. Walang clouds. So tingnan nyo. Saka ang mountain guys, look. At that mountain, mayroon pang snow. Ang ganda. Kapag nalilinisan, ito ang aming tulips guys. Yellow tulips. At saka dito, nagtanim din akong tulips pero napapatay siya. Yan, mayroong isa doon. Yan, mayroon na mga dahon ang aking tinanim dito. Before winter have no leaves this here. So yan lang guys. At saka mag-mow din kami sa aming backyard. Oh, what you do, RJ? Ito ang aming front yard.
Uh-oh.
You want to blow, RJ? Where you go? Okay, let's go to the backyard na. Hi guys, nagpawais ako guys kay giuhaw ko guys, naginom kog tubig. Mayroon ako ng peanut. Eat muna tayo ng peanut. At saka daddy nagpinis ng moss sa grass. Yan. Saan na si daddy? Ano? Open the door there. Yan. Aging pa muna to. Yan sa age. Ang taas doon. Ito aja. You blow the grass? Doda aja.
Done?
There. Up here. Ano? Doda aja. Daddy na ang turn sa pag mo. Come on, daddy. Mo. Yeah, RJ, blow there so that I have no grass. RJ. At saka nagla-laundry din ako guys. Naglalaba din ako. Medyo ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya kapag tapos na dito. Yan. Magandang araw today guys. Hindi masyadong malamig. Why you get the lock?
Doesn't know.
Lock that of the gate, RJ.
Have a break.
Doda. Hindi masyadong malamig. At saka mayroong araw, walang hangin. Sometimes mawindi kasi dito guys, ang lakas ng hangin. Kahit walang ulan, malakas ditong hangin. Saka doon ang snow sa ibabaw ng bukid. Yan, ang snow guys. Tignan nyo guys ang aking minom mo before guys. Yan, magmo guys. Yan ang aking apple na tinanim. Maliit pa. Yan, magandang tingnan na kapag malinis ang paligid. No da, RJ. That's RJ, don't do that. You hit your head. Kita ko sa inyo guys ang tulips ko guys. Yan ang tulips guys. Kamatyo na. Mga larag na ang mga bulak. Aka dito wala nang bulak oh, laya na. Yan. Namatay kasi mga tulips dito. Tinanim ko noon. Ito. Ito ang purple tulips.
Mommy.
Yeah? What?
What's happened to my finger?
What?
You know like that how you cut your nails? What's happened?
Oh my God, what you doing? What you do?
I don't know. I'm just sitting there.
See that? You have boo-boo now. Yeah, I put alcohol. Okay guys. And now I trim this in the edge guys. This the edging here. I trim the edge guys so that have no long grass guys. It's a long look at that. See, okay guys.
go. Good go at me, guys. Let's go. And mommy, you're gonna yuck with me with the tulips. What happened to this tulip, guys? Oh, next up we have some orange ones. Now we're gonna go to mommy. I'm gonna shake this. Trimmer.
Yeah, the
Mommy
trimmer.
is going crazy.
Yeah, I picked.
Blowing grass everywhere, and now the blower is dead. I'm only gonna show you the garage, okay, guys? Here. Body guard. Here's where these things are. I don't know, but they're on both sides. And then here's the inside of it. Here's the inside. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a Ford. Has radio. There's one water in there. See mirror the face thing. A radio, air condition. It's not working though. All the stuff. So do not push anything on the Ford. Okay, here we have all of our tools. Okay, now the car. Here's our car. I guess the point's down here, but we don't want to show you. The top of the car. To make sure you don't see it, we have a secret for you. The cover lights here. We got some sport car racing. The next one, guys. If I can close this.
What time na? 12 minutes to 9, guys. Look at that. Still have light. Hayag pa. RJ.
Here it goes.
What you doing, RJ? Yes, done now. Look at that. Finish aging and mowing. It's clean now.
Hello.
There's RJ.
We gotta put those away.
Okay, that's it.